Welcome to our post-game press conference. We are joined by our player of the game, Adrian Nocum, and Coach Yang Giao of Rain or Shine. Coach Yang, congratulations. Naputol na yung losing streak nyo. And unlike last game, this time, pagpasok ng second group, nung third group, they really tried their best to sustain the momentum. Mukhang coach, natuto na sila at ayaw nang mapagalitan ulit.
Sana. Yun nga, no, yung nangyari, last two games, we had really good starts, pero nagko-collapse kami nung second quarter. No? We were able to hold on in this game and maintain control of the whole game. No? So, before we came out of the locker room, sinabi ko lang, unburden ourselves of the losing streak. Huwag natin isipin yung losing streak. Isipin lang natin, mag-compete lang tayo. No? We can win at our best. No? If we're competing at our best, that's really the time that we win. But yung mga last games namin, pagka nawalan kami ng focus, dun bumabagsak yung laro namin. So, ang objective lang namin today is really keep our focus, just compete. At the end of the game, we go back to the locker room. If we competed well, we would have won the game. If we did not compete well, talo tayo. Ganun lang kasimple yung usapan namin kanina.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Adrian, dun sa back-to-back losses nyo, isa ka dun sa, sabi mo nga, napapagalitan ni Coach Yang because of your decision-making. You were missing easy layups. But this game, you were able to redeem yourselves. Ang ganda ng pinakita mo. If you, share mo lang sa amin, how much you really prepared and want to yung focus for this game para makabawi nga?
Ay umpisa pa lang wala na akong ibang inisip kundi yung makabawi eh. Hindi man sa shoot, yung sa mga rebound, yun sa mga siyempre sa tulong din ng mga teammate ko. Kaya nakuha ko tong yung player of the game. Wala naman akong ibang iniisip eh. Kundi lang talaga, makatulong lang sa team. Yun.
Pinakita na natin kanina, no, yung isa nga sa mga panata na yearly nagpa-participate ka, yung lakbayaw, yung lakbay habang sumasayaw. And sabi mo nga, ang konsepto nun is yung hiling mo, isasayaw mo. And it's gonna be happening this weekend. Tinanong kita kanina kung may wish ka na. At ito na nga yung sample mo kanina. But share mo lang sa amin, how important is it for you, yung mga ganitong paniniwala, and to try your best to attend this tradition every year?
Kasi 2016 na ako nag-start niyan eh. Yung mga kaibigan ko, meron kaming ayun nga, nun, lakbayaw. So habang naglalakbay kayo, sumasayaw ko. Yung Santo Niño kagaya sa Cebu. Yung sa Cebu, di ba, merong sinulog. Yun yung sa amin sa Tondo. So yun, hiling mo, isayaw mo. Yun lang yung nun.
Naisip mo na ba yung isasayaw at hihiling mo?
Wala pa, sa Sabado pa yun eh.